Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Junior Preschool. Today we are going to draw a drawing of bee. Let's start. Here we require a blank page, a pencil, crayon or sketch pen. Let's start the activity. First we have to draw a small circle for the B. Yes, this is a small circle. Now, to make a body, draw a curve like a petal. This is a curve like a petal. Yes, after that, what we have to draw? We have to draw the wings of the bee like this. These are wings of the bee. Yes, and make small circle to draw the eyes. And this is the smiley of the bee. These are eyes and this is the mouth. Yes, and these are antennas. Draw the lines for the bee's body and our bee is ready. Thank you.